for a weird one. What if Earth just decided to spin the other way, like woke up one day and said, you know what? I'm going to do a reverse Uno card on the entire solar system. Boom. Instant chaos. Probably some guy still trying to blame it on Mercury being in retrograde. So, right now, Earth spins eastward. That's why the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Pretty basic stuff. But what if Earth started spinning westward instead? Would we all just fly off into space like a bad carnival ride? Would Australia become the new North Pole? Would toilets flush the other way? Okay, technically that last one is a myth, but it sounded dramatic, didn't it? Let's break this down. First of all, no, we wouldn't fly off. Earth could spin backward, sideways, or in interpretive dance mode, and we'd still be glued to it. Thanks, gravity. You weird, clingy force of nature. But if Earth reversed direction, oh, buddy, things would get weird. Let's start with the big stuff. 1. Weather goes bonkers. Right now, Earth's spin creates something called the Coriolis effect. It's what makes hurricanes spin one way in the northern hemisphere and the opposite way in the southern. It also messes with wind patterns and ocean currents. Flip the spin, and suddenly those currents go in reverse. The Sahara Desert might turn into a jungle. The Amazon rainforest could dry out into a dusty mess. Basically, Earth would be like, remember all those ecosystems you liked? LOL, new patch notes. 2. Asia gets the sunsets. Since Earth would now rotate westward, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. That means places like California would get pitch-black mornings and golden sunsets at 6 a.m. Meanwhile, Tokyo's like, wow, this sunrise hits different. Why is it 8 p.m. though? Your whole daily rhythm wrecked. And forget about time zones making sense. Those things are confusing enough already. 3. Ocean currents go in reverse. The Gulf Stream, that warm water current that keeps Europe from freezing, gone. Replaced by the cold stream of doom trademark. Northern Europe might suddenly feel like Siberia with a side of snowpocalypse. Meanwhile, parts of Africa and the Middle East might actually get cooler and wetter. So hey, silver lining? Global climate, shuffled like a bad playlist. 4. Animal confusion. Migrating birds, lost sea turtles, confused whales, just spinning in circles. So many animals rely on things like magnetic fields, wind patterns, and temperatures to migrate. Flip those, and you get a planet-wide animal GPS malfunction. Birds flying south for winter might end up in Iceland wondering where the palm trees went. 5. Humans? Mostly fine. Kinda. Maybe. Look, assuming the reversal didn't happen instantly, because that would literally tear the planet apart and turn us all into chunky salsa. If it happened slowly, like over thousands of years, we'd adapt. We'd redesign cities, rewrite weather forecasts, argue about it on the internet. But let's be real. People can barely handle daylight savings. Imagine explaining this in a group chat. Hey, just a heads up. Earth's spinning backwards now, so bring a jacket. So, to recap, Earth spinning backward wouldn't kill us instantly unless it happened all at once. Weather? Totally different. Ocean currents? Scrambled. Animals? Lost. You? Still scrolling TikTok wondering why the sun's rising at midnight. Moral of the story? Earth spinning the wrong way would basically be like hitting shuffle on the planet. Same songs, just in a deeply confusing order. Like and subscribe for for more weird what-if scenarios that keep you awake at 2 a.m. Peace out. See you in the east or west. Whatever.